Okay, what I got here is a private match on Flooded for Call of Duty Ghost. I'm going to show you where a hidden ladder is. I would say most people know about this already, but it really helps. Especially if you're doing any of the hardcore game modes because of the kill cam. So this is a really good hiding spot. Okay, I'm just gonna switch to the M27 just to show you this. This is a really good spot for a long range weapon anyway. SMG or pistol for sure won't work in this spot. If they're close enough, maybe a SMG, but what you gotta do is gotta get over here to this next bus. Get on the top of it, okay? And this right here, this guttering system, if you jump off right here, go under the water, it's an invisible ladder. Or maybe you just actually climb up the guttering, but once you get up here and you're on hardcore, you can find anybody. And if you're on hardcore, they're not going to know where you're at. Especially if you're using a silencer or something like that. But anyway, like I said, I believe quite a few people already know about this, but go ahead and try it if you didn't know. And if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to me. Thank you.